wamgwaza ugayila ngemuva wamgwaza nala kusho ukuthi uma wasindiswa ukuthi wayesidudla so amafutha akhe la amsiza otherwise she could have died so uma uyisidudla yazi ukuthi
akwazi kuyibeka kanjani hayi akakwazi kuyibeka kanjani
uShepard ujwayele ukuthi angikhombe mina
ngiyabadinga la 7 kaShepard anele belenze obuka la ningasubscribe nisijwayela kabi subscribe
anishayela iqiniso mfethu anishayeleni iqiniso siyanicela bafethu bala sinikhombe siyanicela bafethu namhlanje mini host yenu Andile wakangcobo Ace Mahashule uShulex Mayesenot balindele igama engibagaya bazoyichaza bahleli kanjani
isazi sasenot yakishike
awes oh uthi bese kanje sithini manje
shout out to Shepard sesikanje sesikhona lesithathu lizo mashile subscribe button
nangolo
azosijwayele
Asidanki mhlobo.
Danki mzala.
Danki Pupe Nakhuza.
Danki Buteno kunjani? Danki Buteno.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Utedi Wakanzama, also known as Utedi We Kofi.
No punches.
Danko.
Jack Kalala in the building, first of his name, second to none, king to the wise to the king, Wisdom Incorporated. Danko.
Wisdom Incorporated today. Not just Incorporated. Thank you was to the king. Thank you Wisdom Incorporated. Thank you much. Thank you Tomo. Welcome to the East Podcast, ladies and gentlemen. Kamukanyiso Nkomo, your co-host for today. Thank you much.
Oh yes.
Thank you Shulex.
Ngiyabonga bafethu. Cani ngibuyisele umshini wami please.
Ayo wakho exactly double brass.
Otherwise bafethu today's episode is will be a balance of life, a balance of laughter, a balance of leadership because the woman we have here today is a very, very, very versatile and she assumes a lot of roles in her life. She's into a space where every time when you think of laughter, uzowazi ukumcabanga. So ngiyathemba ukuthi sonikeza episode emnandi nezonijabulisa. Today we are just unpacking in her life and where she comes from and nalo muntu osewuyena namhlanje bese egcine phambi kwethu kanje. Igama lakhe I think she's very familiar with you guys. Mawukuthi anwathandi ama joke shoot sorry ni kunina anathi us understand ukuthi kanjani but igama lakhe uNonto R. Thank you for coming to the show.
ifake leyo ethi
Sifake.
ngathi ngajabula ngichaza kamnandi asakekho umuntu owangichaza kanjalo
Into zale
ngiphathele nawo ama grapes ngathi
iwayini alarm manje labantu abayaphambili
Uyalazi ni grab decision.
manje ngingakazi
Listen,
even
letha phela sidle sonke. Ngiyathanda yabo nje ngithe mangifika la ngabona nama fruits ngathi mina indawo yokuba khona ke la. Yabo kufana nokuthi mhlawumbe bakuthiwa kade kunenkonzo ungazi ukuthi kuzodliwa. Uthi mase senithi senizohamba sekuthandaziwe bese kuba nalo ofika nesimemezelo ebesingaplana ngathi ekuthiwa sicela ukuthi nihlale kancane. Abomndeni khona okuncane abantu inhliziyo yami ukuthi nansi ke leyo nkonzo
senzizo nje abakhethekile obuseceleni
hayi bazothiwa hlalani la ningayindawo bazoza ke bezoletha noma mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi kusemcimbini akakafika iphathi yokudla kube khona ogqoka iphini futhi
kujwayele kuba
bayokubeka ekamereni bese kuziplate yabo nje ngiyakuthanda ukudla la okungalindeleke khona ukuthi kuzodliwa it just feels
kube into engathi surprise
ngoba no Jesu wayenza leyo nto leyo ukuthi nje kuthiwe khulunywe kuthiwe besadla vela athatha isinkwa ahlephule athi akubongwe kudliwe so uyabona nje ukuthi lapho sekusimentiwe
so sikugcola incwadi kodwa senza iphuthayo sizivele sanhlephula igrapes phela singazange sisabonga
sibonga
Sivela amadoda igqoko.
Khumulani iqoka. Baba, siyabonga nge-Ins podcast. Siyabonga nama-subscribers lawa akhona. Siyabonga nangalawa ezayo. Siyabonga nje iy'ngane zakho ukuthi ziningi izinto engabe ziyenziwe emhlabeni. Khona iy'dakamizwa, khona nani, khona abasemajele. Kodwa iy'ngane zakho zahlakanipha. Zathi azenze i-podcast esikhuthazayo sonke siwumphakathi ukuthi hawu labafana bakithi kade sibabona bekhula nje manje sebebangaka. Siyakubonga uNkulunkulu ongcwele. Siyabonga nangetafula abahlelele lona. Khona amantongomane lana, khona wonke ama-fruits akhiwe wena uNkulunkulu ongcwele. Siyakubonga. Engathi-ke singanorisheka. Even the conversation that we are going to have may it uplift umphakathi. May it uplift us and may we just all be united. Bakhule Nkosi yami from strength to strength nama-followers abo ande ngoba wena uthe konke sikufisayo masicela sikholwa uyosenzela. So namanje ke sicela ngalo lelo gunya nalelo themba ukuthi uyosenzela nangaphezulu kokucela kwethu ngegama lakhe elibusa manje naphakade. Amen.
Amen. Ey.
Amen.
Sesibuka ikhaya ophuma kulona ke mase kunje. Siyabonga.
Yeah, thank you.
Uyazivuselela lo amazwi kanje aswajwayele. Yabona ukuthi sithatha umzuzu nje omncanyana senze njengoba siqeda ukwenza namhlanje.
Inkonzo ebalekile.
Umuntu kanjani othanda ukungena ekitchen enza into yokudla?
Angikuceli.
Awuceli.
Angikuceli. Kodwa makuphoqelekile.
Uyangena.
Makuthi akekho umuntu ozokwenza then I'll do it. And mangikwenza futhi it's nice. Ngiphe ukudla omnandi. Kodwa nje I feel like mina imsebenzi shouldn't be for girls or boys. I feel like if unezandla nje yenza. Yabo because if makuthiwa kuncelisa ingane, I'm the only one who can do it. That is my gender role and responsibility. So I'm happy to do it. Kodwa makuthiwa kuyamopha mhlamba akudinga amabele lapho. Akudinga inkomo ukumopha. So whoever's got hands, let's do it, yabo. Upheke nje now. Yazi khona uguy njengamanje who wins awards. He's married. But unkosikazi wakhe wam-encourage ukuthi he must take his cooking skills to social media because he was doing so well. So khona amadoda ahleli lapha emakhaya anama-skills athize but because lawo ma-skills aziwa ngokuthi abantu besifazane yabo
Bagcina bengawenzi.
Bagcina bengawa-explore, yeah.
No, ngiyayithanda leyo ukuthi upheke uyathanda ukupheka ukudla kumnandi. Because I think bengifuna ukuthatha back since ukade uqeda usipho nomkhuleko omuhle kanje izocomplementana. Ekuthenini mawupheka kujwayele ukuthi ube khona ama ingredients.
Yeah.
Ukuze ukudla sidene sesikubiza sesithi ukudla leyo sesikudla yabo. And ama ingredients yona so esekuchazela ukuthi ngifaka uanyanisi, ngifaka amafutha esikala esingaka, ngifaka ucurry powder kanje. So ngizokuthatha nje ukudla njengamanje obuhlele duze kwami.
Yeah.
Yes. So ngibengicela ungiphe amafutha alokudla okuhleli la ukuthi lokudla uqalephi kwaphekwa kwaze kwafika kuloko sekuphele sesikubiza nje ukuthi namhlanje sesiyawazi ukudeka phambi kokubuso bukaNkulunkulu bese siyadla.
I was born eStenga Hospital. Ngakhulela eMandeni endaweni ekuthiwa iSenembe. Noma nobaba. So ukuthi ke ngo1994 ngiyakhumbula ngenkathi kulwa ANC na-AFP. So the first house that was burnt eMandeni was umuzi wasekhaya. Uma was carrying my sister on her back. I think or before she carried my sister on her back, wayekade eqeda ukugeza. Sezwa nje yini le kuthiwa i-petrol bomb.
Petrol bomb, yes.
Sekuyasha wathatha la manzi adegeza ngawo wacisha umlilo. She took my sister ombeletha sabaleka sakwenye indlu kagogo yabo emakhaya ukuthi kunezindlu ehlukahlukene. And then there was a guy owafika wamthatha wamkhiphela ngaphandle efuna umgwaza. So my mom fought this guy ebelethe usiswam on her back. Uguy ephethe ummese umaye ephethe umkhonto and she fought him. Wamgwaza uguy la ngemuva wamgwaza nala. Kusho ukuthi uma wasindiswa ukuthi wayesidudla. So amafutha akhe la amsiza, otherwise she could have died. So uma uyisidudla yazi ukuthi
Akwazi kuyibeka kanjani. Hayi akakwazi kuyibeka kanje ebuhlungu. Hayi notokwazi kuyibeka kanje. Hayi. Uyamuza ukuthi uyibeka kanjani. Okay.
but you know like I'm so proud of her. Okay, she ngizesube ngikhuthaza idudla. She fought this guy and wamhlula wamgwaza naye uma umfana la emqaleni umfana waphuma wabaleka sasinda kanjalo ekhaya because eminye imizwa babengena kuyona after that babeshona abantu okwangempela. So my mom survived. She's a hero. Yeah, she's my hero.
So ekhaya egcini ngoba ngiyawuzwa sichaza ukuthi bakwazi uthinta ukuthi mhlawumbe ubaba walekelela kanjani.
Ubaba ngiyathanda indlela follow up ngayo ilokhunjana istory. Ubaba was working in Maritzburg a Bible school. So he would come ngama Friday ahambe Monday. But ngalelo langa something just told him to go on Sunday.
Yes.
Wahamba Sunday. Because I don't know mhlambe if kuthiwa bebazi ukuthi khona nobaba babengeza bebe baningi. So mhlambe kwaba igrace kaNkulunkulu nayo leyo ukuthi ahambe amkhiphe. But ke ekhaya uma uyena vele nje egame lapha. Yabo nje makuthiwa mhlambe khona inokhe aggressive la uba ungasukuma. Uyazazi wena. Ekhaya uma usukuma hey uba emzini wami yabo iloyo muntu lo kanjalo she's a warrior. This one time wayephelezela umngani wakhe ebusuku khona eMandeni afika aphatha ucelemba ke bese efaka ijacket enkulu ahambe kuqhamuka isigebengu avela kukhipha ucelemba uthi I'm telling you bra my mom
le story ngizama ukusifona lapho bathi
Ngiyabona ukuthi ayahluleka nje.
lalela yabo mina
Uyazi kubaze bese sengifuna no question credibility yaso.
I promise you. Yo uma like and it's unbelievable njengamanje une dementia yabo but I ngiphiliswa ama memories of the woman that I've known her to be. She's very powerful. This one time ubaba kwe uquiet yabo uyena othula ekhaya. Kodwa uyazi ukuthi makuyiwe empini uma uyena ozoyilwa leyo nto. This one time ubaba omncane washaya umfana elokushini. So amshaya umfana then sivumelane sonke ekhaya ukuthi uma akangayizwa le ndaba because siyazi ukuthi uma wakanzama by the way shout out
Siyani lapho shout
yes athi baba okay uma akangayizwa le ndaba because mayeke wayizwa siyazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Sihambe sonke sivumelane bomncane simthulise sithi kushuthi sorry yabo siqhubeke siyekhaya. Mayebuya uma awubana ubaba sekuyena manje umtshela ukuthi yazi uba umncane lana useshaya umfana wathi uma wasuka lapho wahamba njengamanje kaphethe induku uphethe isagila sakhe wahamba waya kuyena umfana wamdonsa kanje wathi hey wena ushaya abantu abadala. Waxolisa umfana wathi ungaxolisi kumina ushayanga mina wamhudula umgwaqo wonke wamisa kubaba omncane wasixolisa waxolisa umfana so nje uyiwarrior shame yo yeah she's a very strong woman. Wayelwa leyagela sasibona nje ngabantu sebephuma ekhaya futhi she had like amanye ama fights waye wasenza ingakenzeki ukuthi wena ujayela kabi uzongijayela ka
Ngathi uzojayelana.
Awuthi ngushaye imali ngiyayibona lento yakho usizohamba yekephi
yabona ngiyikhuze manje
so nje wayeyifikela shame ebantwini
bafethu niyasiza le story
awuma ngisho kuthi uma ufuna inkonzo yekamera kwakuba uyena lokhu wayeba ne sign
avela zamu
afike abambe kwezakhe mthayimani sekunjani
ubone ubaba naye afika zamule amsayinele bese ekamereni ayinobaba aqala azulisa kancane bese hey khema sinilala hayi bahambe-ke balandelane baye ekamereni thola ukuthi nje kusantambama mhlawumbe o-5 bona sebehambile baye ekamereni uthi uyabona mhlawumbe bathe bayozela uthi uyabona 30 minutes later
Sebebuyile.
phelile ubuthongo
Nokuyenza kodwa abazali.
bana babe nendlela
Mhlambe
yabo
basebenepile.
babe nendlela yabo
Bawanele
yazi
nje
ukuthi
bathi.
even namanje uma like une-dementia ubaba banoshukela bonje baphuza amaphilisi omunye akaboni kahle emehleni but namanje uma ngifika nje ekhaya ngibona
And usabambelele ukuthi ngabe ngenzeka yini.
ahambe angithi i-dementia yakhe-ke leyo ukuthi uma ngabe kade kwenzeka something ayikhohlwa she will repeat the same story over and over so ahamba ekamereni athi baba yabo akasaboni naye emehlweni uthi bese singani sibuya khona nje awukazi ungenze lutho mina
Lempi yokushesha ubuye kathi uthi yaqala.
kade kodwa nje phela-ke akona
Akona kuyona inkinga.
umuntu uma ulala udlile mina ngiyaye ngisho njalo
Yeah.
ma usitholile leso sinkwa ukuthi uhafu noma ikonta udlile nje khona abantu abangaba asingekho sona isinkwa
Yes, ayiqinisile ngalapho.
bonga okuncane
Bongo.
Bokukhulu.
Ukuthi ke phela masuza nga kosisi baye banga appreciate. Ngoba
nanso
nayi inkinga ngizama ukulandela istory sikama.
ukuthi uyena wayi-appreciate
Uma phela sengizwa mawuxoxa uthi uma wenako ukuthi mekusheshe kwabuye abuya athi no asibuyele nje uthi wekade ngasuthanga ngoba uyasho ukuthi kodwa ngoba sibuya khona futhi into endala kusho ukuthi sekuyinto
sekufanele bayisholo
yes ngase sayidini lo mama uthi banako ukuthi banganeliseki nje ezinkweni abayitholayo
kwenzeka ngoba I think uNkulunkulu nje indlela asidala ngayo ukuthi wena you would think wena ushela intombazane kanti chu ithinde uyena intombazane oba attracted to you and then she'll transform and make herself to be ngoba ngithi uyaxoxa ukuthi mina ngithanda intombazane kanje then yena uyalalela so then she'll become that oyichazile wena by the time umshela wena kade yena ekwenze wamshela
sevele lokudonsa ukubeka
usevele uzolokhu ekuphathela ama-grapes nje kanti
ngakuthatha as a sign
ma uyithatha kusho ukuthi nawe interested that's why ukubona ukuthi umuntu
That's
wakho
imizwa la.
unokukulwisa umuntu wakho
Interested.
unokukulwisa ngentombazane ongayisheli futhi ongenayo interest kuyona but yena usebonile ukuthi
la ngoba
So nje
wamchaza lo muntu
yeah
kuyena
phela uyabona ukuthi loya interested like kuthiwa umuntu wesifazane uyakwazi ngisho ukubona ikhaphule ehappy ehealthy uma ngabe uyibona uhlangana nayo you can tell ukuthi okay these people are happy these people are not happy we just have that awareness within us
hayi ngizwa kahle ngifuna ukubuyisela emuva because sifuna ukuthola nestory sakhe njengoba ngichazile ukuthi la it's a balance of everything yabo kumnandi ukuthi siyahlala sixoxa nje and have jokes
yeah
and ngokuqala by the way siba nento kanje I'm sure ama just lazo attest nawe yabo ukuthi sihlale nje sibe happy kugcwala indlu na kanje bafethu siyabona ukuthi nigcwala indlu bo hey but ngifuna ukuthatha ngibuyisela lapha eStenga because uma uchaza stories kanje omunye umuntu uba uyadiscourageka esamncane ukuthi azama ukuqhubha impilo izifike la esikubeke khona namhlanje akukho lula akona wonke umuntu okhula isikhathi se-apartheid akena wonke umuntu okhula isikhathi sama-petrol bombs yabo so ngifuna usithatha usibeke ukuthi umanuva kanjani yonke your way out yonke leyo chaos eyayenzeka around that time
yo ngingathi nje uNkulunkulu because I was always exposed to things outside of la mina engihlala khona so like okay after kushisiwe ekhaya I moved ngahlala ePortshepstone for a year then ngabuyela ekhaya so mangabe ngibuya after a year khona ngajoin modeling agents yabona So mangijoin modeling agency, I'm then exposed to other people and other lifestyles. Ukuthi hey bo umuntu uyakwazi uba nekamera lakhe. Yabo mhlambe ngivakashela umngane wami esimodela nayo. Unekamera lakhe mfethu kuba mina ngazi ukuthi nje silala sonke yabo mhlambe uma nobaba kuhlukanisa ikhethini abanye balala ngale abanye balala ngalawo yabo. So leyo nto leyo yangenza ngabona ukuthi there's more out of life. Nokukholwa ke futhi ukuthi mangabe ukholwa ngiyazi ukuthi njengamanje kuningi ama narratives say abelungu basiphuca umhlaba of which they did ngale iBhayibheli but ukukholwa kuyakuprotecta from izinto eziningi. Like if I look at my peers esilingana nabo usithathe sonke usibekela kunomehluko omkhulu because mina khona ezinye izinto ebengingakwazi ukuzenza ngenxa yokuthi ngiyakholwa. So as ngikhula ke ngibone ukuthi hayi imandeni akuhambi kahle and ngenkathi ngiphatha umatric ngo2003 ngaphasa kodwa kwathiwa ngifailile. Yabo yakhumbula khona khona kangaphuma ephepheni. There was that mix up I not check ngo2000 there was that mix up khona babephasile
bangaphuma
babe phasile mase kushintsha ama results kwathiwa bafailile abanye kwathiwa bafailile kwaphinda ngashintsha ama results kwathiwa baphasile. So mina ngangingilabo ke okwakuthiwa bafailile kanti baphasile. So makusha 2004 athi baba yena akanayo imali yase varsity. So ngithi mina let me rather come to Durban and get a job and work. So I worked for a year ngo2004 ngasave imali yokuthi ngo2005 I can go to school. Ngafunda I studied journalism ngo2 years. So ngonyaka wesibili ngifunde yabo ukuthi ingqondo yami nje inoku discoverisha izinto. So ngonyaka wesibili I'm like hayi man sengiyayibona lento kathisha ukuthi lo thisha ufuna usifundisane yabo noma ngingayeka manje ukufunda sengiyayibona ukuthi oh this is where he's going with this thing yakhe yabo ngayeka ke esikoleni ngaphinda ngathola enye course youth development because I also worked with Love Life. So any into that expanded my awareness was Love Life ukuthi siyafundiswa lapha ama life skills siyafundiswa even ne motivation yokuthi hayi amaphupha akha valid. Okay amaphupha ama valid yabo khona bahambayo bephesheya. So uhlala nawe unalelo themba lokuthi one day nakumina ngizoba right. So ngafunda ke naleyo ngagcina ngiunderstand ukuthi hayi izohamba ifike la ngayiyeka nayo ngaphinde ngiba nje nakho ukuthi hayi yazi uthisha ngiyambona ukuthi uzama nanokuthi nakho ukufunda kubuye kungakumotivate because manje uyayibukela umuntu okufundisayo ukuthi hey lo muntu lona mayehamba ngeconquest ethi kodwa manje angiyimisele kulento kusho ukuthi nami ngizoba njengaye phela ugcina usungasakhuthazeki ukuthi ufunde. But ke I think kubalekile njalo ukufunda ningasho ukuthi sinonto wafika la wathi asingafundi because uyabona ukuthi mina ngifunda izinto eziningi kusho ukuthi kahle ngabe sengine degree manje masingathiwa sihlanganisa zonke. So you have to go to school. Nami nje lesizingise ngisikhulumayo iwona lawo ama class lawo engawahamba. So then I joined Herbalife futhi nakhona it's more about leyanto leyayo your creator ukuthi yabo like they would teach us into ukuthi because it's a very hard product to sell. So fanele ukuthi uqale wena ucabange ngenye indlela so that uzokwazi ukuthi build success. And I did build a very successful business. So bakhuluma laphana I think I've mentioned this in one of the videos about reticular activating system. Like ukuthi if you wake up in the morning and you think of a particular car ukuthi okay what is your favorite car umbala wayo down to the detail ngeke uphume uye la uyakhona ungayibonanga leyo moto leyo. So now that thing says ukuthi this reticular activating system actually brings to your awareness leyo nto leyo usukuthe wena uyayifisa. So khona amaningi amanye ama philosophers asho ukuthi you design impilo doesn't happen to you, it happens for you. Nokuthi whatever experience onayo njengamanje you have created it, whether through being conditioned mawukhulu ukuthi hey money doesn't fall from trees, hey kuyahlusheka, yabo ukuthi uyabona khulunywa ngo-HIV kuyafika uvula indaba sekufika at least angazi ukuthi why but at least 10 people have died as if inamba encane leyo, but zonke lezo zinto lezo oyibukayo izona ezenza ukuthi ube kuleyo experience leyo. So that is where I learned ukuthi okay, I have to be careful, I don't watch indaba ngoba ayikho into engikhuthazayo uma ngabe ngibukela indaba. Ngizobuka nje ukuthi abantu bafile, ngibuka ukuthi kuyahlusheka, ngibuka ukuthi irandi lingaphansi kwedola, ngibuka ukuthi imisebenzi iphelile. So I don't watch those, and then ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngibuke lezi zinto mina engifuna ukuyibuka ukuze zizongisiza to create this life that I want.
Bafethu, naso ningibuka nani ngokukhulu ukujula lokho.
No, uhamba nathi kakhulu. Because then akuyabona le part what system?
Reticular activating system.
Yeah, iyona lena esisuke sizama ukuyigqugquzela but thina suke singayazi igama layo ukuthi abantu bangahlali belindele izinto yabo kumele bazidesignele ngathi angabapha more kule kodwa at least usebaphakelile angazi
bengisathi ngifuna uku-add ukuthi angazi uma uyangena yini le mina nginomkhubo ukuthi nginaka even namanje nginaka ama-number plates but buka umbhedo yani mhlawumbe ngoba mhlawumbe
unaka ama-number plate kanjani
ukuthi njalo mengiphuma endlini yabo nje right now i-number that are common enginokuyibona emgaqweni it's like CL7 something yabo so abantu abaningi just out of nowhere wonke umuntu osihamba emoto ibhalu CL7 eThekwini. And I'm like, I'm very confused because angiyibuza ukuthi why bengabo khona CL7 but after ngiyibuza engqondweni next thing sengiyabona emgaqweni.
It's your reticular activating system because miningi imicabanga 60 million or how many thoughts that we think per day. So now uma ngabe wena uzozuma kulowo wodwa usu create a ripple effect yokuthi ke ingqondo yakho fanele ikusondezele lowo mcabango loyo. Ngoba uNkulunkulu nje I think usebenza to give to us whatever we want. So if you are praying yabona mangabe uJesu ekhuluma lapha ebafundisa ukukhuleka athi mangabe nikhuleka khulekani sengathi senikwamukelisiwe lokho enicelayo. So now the question is how would you feel in the having of lokho okufunayo ungajabula ngithi. So imagine now going through your day ujabulile ukubona ukuthi izinto zenzeka kamnandi kanjani mawujabulile.
Yes, true.
Exactly. So ingakho ke fanele uqaphele, stand guard at the gates of your mind because ila ukufana nengadi umqondo wethu. So ingakho bekwazi usimanipulate yabo nje stall bayazi ukuthi mabe positiona uswidi la
nasekuphunywa khona khokho ngakhona
uzoqala ubone kwi-ali yakhona baphinde bawuphose lapha it's marketing. Look by the time ufika ethilini kade beqalile ukukudayisela by the time ufika ethilini awazi na ukuthi wenziwa yini because sebe-capturishile ingqondo yakho ukuthi ugcine usukubona ukubaleka kwalo sithi. Same thing with ama-drink in marketing. So now you can use the same marketing strategy to condition yourself ukuthi wena ufuna ukuhlala lapho khona umunye umuntu ongaza kucabange lokho ekhaya ukuthi where do you want to live, what kind of life do you want to have, what kind of car do you want to drive. Forget ukuthi awunawo matric, forget ukuthi situation yakho njengamanje imi kanjani. Then you start uwenze I have a vision board mina lapha ekhaya. I've even taught all my kids bonke emakamereni abo banama vision board and the things that we had on our vision boards last year sesi accomplishile this year. So now we are changing some of the pictures ebesifakile sifake ithombe ezintsha, and once we have put all those pictures then we pray over our dreams because sonke we are co-creating njengoba sila we are all co-creating this podcast. So kubalekile ukuthi ungabheki la ukhona is already in the past because imicabango yakho edlulile ekuthathe yakubeka la okhona whether uyathanda ukuba khona noma uthanda. But the exciting thing is kusasa kungenzeka noma yini. Unaledi aphiwe inspires me so much. Wayezenzela nje video
enganake umuntu
kanje impilo ishintsha nje umzuzwana, you are a different person, and kusasa, you are a completely different person. As long as you are open to the possibilities. Oh,
Imake wena nteya ume.
Amen.
Ima
Hallelujah.
khona la uze khona. Ubra wethu yena ucabanga ama number plate la ne. But kukhona umuntu osekhaya ocabanga isituation le asuke ebhekene nayo. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe ngihlale lokushini kanye ngihlale emkhukhini. Ngihlezi ngicabanga ukuthi mina ngifuni ukuhlala la. But angikaze ngivisualize into engcono. Uyabo kunala ngihlala khona. How can then leyo nto is affecta kanjani wena ngokwakho umucabange, and how can we shape and or help ourselves to shape a better future by using that? Mhlawumbe uprivate asuke emcabangeni ngama number plate, mhlawumbe acabanga ngemoto itself manje, mhlawumbe acabanga nje nge-Rolls Royce ise garage kwakhe.
Umqondo wami uyangideceive.
Umqondo wakho ungawuvumeli.
No, it's working.
Uzoyenzani i-number plate?
Angazi,
Uzwathi ngani sendlini?
Ufuna phone number.
Iyasebenza.
Ucabanga imoto bese ucabanga i-number plate. Ungavumi bro.
You are on the right track. Yabona ngoba usuyiprovile ngama number plate,
Yeah.
you can
Ning,
use something
sengiyemotweni
else.
straight,
Ehhe.
yeah, bebona
Ukhambe
kanje.
ibhizinisi lama number plate.
So inathi into yokuqala eyokuthi la ukhona you cannot regret ukuthi ukhona, because mangabe ungacabangisisa kahle, there was a time when that was a prayer for you, that was a dream. Makuthiwa no 2 room noma nomkhukhu, that was your dream ukuthi I just want freedom and ngifuna ukuba nomkhukhu wami. If you have a job uyashanela, you once that was a dream for you ukuthi ngisho kuthiwa ngaholi 1,000 as long as ngiyasebenza. So kusafanele uqale nje uqala umbongo uNkulunkulu uqala ukuthi Nkosi nginophahla, ngiyalala nezingane zami, sengikambe sengike ngalala yini ngingadlile, angikaze ngilale ngingadlile, Nkosi ngiyabonga. Amanzi ngiyashoda yini ngawo, ugesi nginawo. Uyabona izingane ziyafunda, zitholile uniform, zitholile stationery, uphila kahle regardless ukuthi uhlala kephi. There is something to be grateful for, and there's something to thank God for. La uqala khona mawuthi angifuni ukuba la, uzoqhubeka futhi uyibone leyo nto, because life is here to teach us isifundo sanoma ikephi lapho khona. So ngisho kuthi uyakhala kodwa umbonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi mhlambe yazi khona la Nkosi wake wangitshela khona ukuthi this path izongithatha ngifikise la, and now I'm crying, and the lesson engiyifundayo ukuthi you are always directing my path. So mhlambe mangabe ngincika more kuwena, ngizokwazi ukuthi ngifinyelele la ekuwukuthi angisazi ukuyithola khona inyembezi. So the first step to change your life is gratitude. Be grateful, be thankful for la ukhona, ube excited ngepossibility yokuthi kusasa kuzoshintsha. Yabona, ngiyabonga ukuthi ngila, but kusasa or next year, it doesn't matter. Yabona amadoda lawa amathathu esithandweni somlilo mangabe khuluma athi asazi because they have faith. Asazi uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo mayethanda engasindisa kulomlilo wakho. Kodwa ngisho engasakwenzanga, let it be known to you, we will not bow. Yabo? So nawe in whatever happens fanele uthi ngiyazi, yebo namhlanje ngiyakhala, yebo namhlanje angikho happy, yebo namhlanje indlu yami iyaconsa, yebo namhlanje kunzani, kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi I will not bow, because nakhona ugcina usubhawa ey'ntweni that are not aligned with the will of God. And you know ukuthi nazo lezo zinto yisebenzisa your imagination, because everything is created by your imagination, qale engqondweni then into the physical. So usathana ufika kukhohlise ngoba yini, ngoba uzokholwa ileli gama selishilo, mhlambe kuthiwe thatha lento ayinabungozi. Lento le uses the same energy your other honest efforts would have used. Ngoba kusebenzisa ingqondo yakho, yonke into ifike engqondweni yakho. Wena ngoba usuthathe lento, it uses the same confidence ukuthi manje ngiphethe lento. But wena ocreate leyo experience akusiyona lento. Lento ifana nje nenduku ukuthi ngiphethe le nduku ngishaya ngayo, but mhlawumbe ubungalwa nangezandla zakho, because amandla afika kule nduku asuka. Thank you. So umuntu uyena ozo creator impilo yakhe. Whether uphethe lento noma uyiphethe, the source of all of it is faith, is that you believe ukuthi you can do it. You don't have to be a saint, you don't have to fast, you don't have to pray 7 times, you just have to have faith. You just have to have faith in yourself and have faith ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungilethile la emhlabeni, ungilethe for a reason. Uyabona? Uyazi ukuthi nje i-miracle ye-existence yethu, there is maybe 1,000,000 chances it couldn't have been me ozalwayo. Ama-spams kababa, millions and millions agijimayo kwi-race eya kwiqanda elilodwa likama. This is for all of us. Kugijima, and our besilisa, they are faster than females. But for some reason, kulawo millions lawo, kube wena. You are a miracle already. Already, ukuthi nje uzaliwe wena. Kusho ukuthi uspecial. Regardless of where you are, the color of your skin, and that's another thing. Color of your skin, gender, limitations, in. The fact ukuthi you are alive. 1 in 1,000,000 chances ukuthi bekungeke kube wena.
Why do we undermine that, and even the thing yokuvuka ekseni? Those two things, why is he undermine?
We are conditioned to ukuthi downplay ubunkulunkulu bakho, because uNkulunkulu uphila kuthina sonke. So the minute when usuworshipa mina, uyabona uNkulunkulu mayethi ungazenzela abanye uNkulunkulu ngaphandle kwami, usho wena ukuthi don't worship other people, don't worship other things, whether it's money, whether izinto lezi ngaphandle kwakhe uNkulunkulu ophila kephi ngaphakathi kuwena. So now isystem yona iyazi ukuthi yabo mangase kuthiwe phela sonke manje sesicabanga lendlela ngeke kuze kuhambe kahle. So that is why ke besifundisa zonke lezi zinto lezi ukuthi hey kuyabheda, ubonile kuyaliwe Russia, ubani na uphatheke kabi ukuthi awe ma and then now usulaphi yabo ukuthi fanele hamba ufunda yenzani yonke into abakutshela yona is external. Ngoba benzela ukuthi bakudistract ngayo yonke indlela from actually going internal, because impendulo zonke ungahamba itherapy uyihambe vele bazokusiza kodwa ulayini uzodonsa from inside. Usuhlanganisa nalokho kufundi okutsheliweke lapho kwi-session yakho. Hi man, this thing has been here all along. This is the answer. So the day sonke sibuyela ngaphakathi and we pray to God. Nje ukuthi the first prayer, Nkosi yami, what am I doing here? Please show me. Simple. Awudingi iguqa, awudingi ikuzendla, awudingi isivatho esimhlophe noma esibomvu noma esishani. It's just a conversation. Even manje uyihlalela uthi nje Nkosi yami, please.
Okay, lazi ngikhumbuza uma ukhuluma nomuntu ubona ukuthi isikhathi esiningi when you're looking for advice, in most cases umuntu uzokunika advice but mase egcineni akutshela ukuthi but impendulo yangempela ikuwena. So ngisho ungaphumela ngaphandle ucele liphusize, at the end of the day what you have and what you are will give you an honest answer of what you're looking for.
Yeah, lithi iBhayibheli dala uNkulunkulu ayihlala emathempelini. Yabo kube nemthetho ke ukuthi fanele kungena umpriest bani, kungena abantu abanganjani, kungena abantu abanganjani. But I think uNkulunkulu realized ukuthi ukuhlala emathempelini kunama ups and downs, wase wavele wangena
Thini?
umuntu nomuntu is a representation of God.
Uma ubenjani ngokukhuleni ngeke yabo manje usithathe wasibeka kanti qala wazikhulula sivulisa nangomkhule. Ebenjani eqineni ekukholweni ekhaya?
Bayakholwa njoba ngisho
Ma ukholwa nalo lokho njani?
Ubaba.
Icele olethi.
hayi mabheda uzoshaya
Ukhandwe insini.
kodwa nje
Ukhandwe insini.
Inombolo ifake.
no
Kwatho
bayakholwa
sakho sisibone sinzima kakhulu.
yeah no bayakholwa kakhulu basifundisa nathi ngakho ukukholwa nje yonke into esinayo sinayo.
Ngiyayithanda indlela okhulume ngayo. I think nowadays it's very rare to find someone who speaks like this, especially because we're in an industry where push comedy kakhulu yabo.
Siyadlala,
Yes, ngiyadlala. Sometimes njengoba ngisho eqaleni, it's even very hard to believe ukuthi usadlala noma you're actually being serious yabo.
Yeah.
So I think there's a very thin line lapho kuhlukanisa ukuthi ngathi angisazi uma kusayi joke noma yabo usengitshela into serious, but we appreciate it a lot yabo. And ngoba unengane ngiyathemba ukuthi uyakudlulisela nakuzona yabo. Banjani ukureceive into kanje?
But they are very open to it. I think each generation, net generation, is an improvement of the previous generation.
Yeah.
Like iy'ngane zethu manje ezinye izinto izona eziyikhulumayo. It's no, as long as I believe, I know that I can do it. You know, kubona even nakuma social media ukuthi ziyakhuluma, zihlakaniphile.
Yes.
They question khona omunye usisi obekade ekhuluma ku social media ethi ingane yakhe imfice ehleli noma wakhe yathi ma, so you know ukuthi abelungu bafika lana bathi your heaven is in the sky, and then they built their heaven emhlabeni wena. Athi, and they were using the Bible, and eBhayibhelini khona la kuthiwa khona worship your master, respect your when ama slave you must worship your master, and they tell ama masters how to treat their slaves, and they would quote the Bible mangabe bezohlukumeza abantu. So uthi umama athi hey ngiyazi, ithi ngani you still go to church? Athi ngiyaye esontweni. Athi hayi ninenkinga nini. So our kids are different. Bahlukile, they vibrating on a very high frequency compared to us. And this is not to say ukuthi asingayi enkonzweni,
Yes.
but let's find a way. Yabona nje mina what I've noticed in church ukuthi siyakhonza yabo siyakholwa. Kodwa mase ubheka ukuthi okay, what are we doing? Because we already have this powerful community ening. We don't have, some churches don't have a church building, but kuyanikelwa every Sunday. Akukho mhlawumbe even umsebenzi wokuuplift umphakathi, akuyabona nje ukuthi nje kumnandi siyacula amahosana masendawonye. So mine is to say let's challenge ourselves ukuthi there's a lot of vacant buildings la edrobheni la khona abazalwane bebengahlanganisa imali kuthiwe nje siyapledge, we are buying that building whether soyenza irest noma siyenze ini, siphume manje emanikinikini yabo ukuthi uma ukhola fanele uhlupheke. No azelanga uzohlupheka. uNkulunkulu wathi mangabe sidala wathi have dominion kuGenesis, wathi nibuse phezulu kwakho konke. So sizobusa la emhlabeni, akukho la okunye. Uma uhamba ubuyele kuNkulunkulu umphefumulo uya kuNkulunkulu, awekho amagrebhisi lapha ala
Shouldn't
amagrebhisi
lapha
emhlabeni.
emagrebhisini.
Amagrebhisi
Naswadle manje yobayi.
amagrebhisi ala. So njengabazalwane kufanele sifundise ukuthi sifuna ukushiya umhlaba onjani for the next generation. Sifuna izingane zethu iphile emhlabeni kanjani, because yes there was unfairness, apartheid, but that was how many years ago?
That's a long time.
It was a long time ago, and njengamanje ama opportunities are there, but ke kuukuthi mawuthola imali ucabanga ukwenza njani? Ucabanga ukuthenga isicathulo sa 100,000
Yeah, esibizayo.
esibizayo, kodwa futhi ekhaya awulungisile, never mind even ukulungisa awunawo wena umuzi wakho. Kodwa uma uba nemali, first thing you want to do uku-enjoy, uthenga amabhodlela atshwala abizayo, uthenge. So we need to renew imiqondo yethu ukuthi nathi siyadeserve ukuthi sibe right, siyadeserve ukuthi sihlale endaweni e-right, siyadeserve ukuthi sibe nempilo emnandi.
I-marketing ayisiyabona into yasesitolo yasweet iyona la bashangayo, because manje ugcine abas-advertiseli izindlu enough. Sihlezi sicabanga ukuthi I will never afford a house, but every time mangabe uvula ifoni ufica icathulo, ufica utshwala, ufica zonke lezi zinto kuthiwa ungayi-afford, but when you look at it njengoba usuyichaza manje, you realize that actually I can also afford a house. Yabo, but angithi basitshela thina ukuthi indlu ngeke uyi-afford because there's so many that you have to pay for. Yabo,
But ungaseva ngithi imali. So into esizayo ukuthi uhambe uye kuyona leyo nto, like if ngisho kuthiwa u-afford, yabona nje i-reticular activating system, RAS.
yes.
Hamba uye kuyona. Yabona umuzi lo othi uma ungena wona ushaya uvalo ufile sengathi you are out of place. ngena khona ufonela i-agent uthi ngicela kwenza i-viewing uhambe uyoview umuzi and mawufika khona own your space uzobona ukuthi uNkulunkulu makuthiwa uyawufuna ngempela God will move things and people and situations to make sure ukuthi wena uyawuthola lowo muzi. It works every time.
Inkinga siphila emhlabeni wabantu abangakaze babone umusa namandla kaNkulunkulu wenonto. Yabona ngikuzwile nje wenza umzekelo ngale ntombazane impilo yakhe eshintsheka nje immediately. So some people they really do not if faith abanayo but bane fear. They can't really think beyond what they know. It's like yazi ubona umuntu ukuthi akayiboni opportunity seduze kwakhe ukuthi fethu uma ungaphenduka wena ungaba yimillionaire. Uhleli kumhlaba kini oyinqwaba umhlaba uwodwa nje kodwa nje ni busy niyagijima la nenzani. So I think isiphile emhlabeni okanjalo abantu abangakazi bayibone lo mimangaliso. So umuntu vele uphumelele odizwe kwabo uphumelele ngoba kunento thizini bahlezi bekwazi ukuyijustify impumelelo omunye umuntu oseduze abakwazi ukuyicredita to uNkulunkulu ukuthi alo umakhelwane nje benestezi sihle kanje umusa kaNkulunkulu bazothi awuthwele okanye wenze ukuthi wanama connection. So if mabekwazile nje ukuyijustify imashini. So I think that's where we have to try to bridge the gap.
That is true, but you need to understand ukuthi the way esicabanga ngayo as abantu sayifundiswa leyo nto leyo. Yaqale nje yafundiswa ngenkathi abantu bethena against each other ukuthi ubani lo umXhosa amaXhosa abhede kwakuna ama companies ayetadisha abantu ukuthi abantu this is how they function, this is how they think, this is how they operate. Kwasekuthunyelwa ama-agents ke kayengena emalokishini sema-hostela to teach people ukuthi bazondane. So now sekuyikuthina-ke manje ukuthi sikushintshe lokho ukuthi why uzomzondo, why uzocabanga ukuthi uthwele, why ungacabangi nje ukuthi hayi usebenzile and so angimazi because ezinye izinto mhlawumbe umuntu azenzayo behind closed doors awuzazi. So uthi njalo congratulations yabo, but kunalokho thina umuntu like akanqeni ukuthi ngiqashwe mhlambe ngiqashe umuntu ozongenzela ingadi uthola ukuthi ngizomholela imali engcono kunaleya bekade ehola lapha kwaBas John, but ngoba ubizwe yimini uzofika robhe la ngimholela imali engcono mhlambe futhi ngimkhipha nangesikhathi esingcono kunalesa sifukuza lapha, but ngenxa yokuthi nje ibala kusho ukuthi I don't deserve ukuthi wena unginikeze the best service that I am paying for. So mhlawumbe umkhuleko wokuthi sikhulekele nje ukuthandana, ukumthanda umuntu, umthande nje umfisele nje into enhle whether they are in your life or not, whether you are going to benefit from impumelelo yabo noma cha, but ukumthanda ngoba ezinye izizwe iwiniswa yilokho ukuthi ziyathandana nje.
Yes.
Yabona nje le show le nginayo lapha eSun Coast. Khona intombazane ekuthiwa uBesh Tesh, she's Indian. She fills that venue 2.2 seater on her own. Eyedwa mangabe yenza ufika kugcwele all Indians. Bazo athi futhi ladies night, so abantu besifazane bodwa laba baze kuyena eyedwa akekho akaperform nabanye abantu, but uthola ukuthi mhlambe khona nje iband ethize noma igroup ethize zama eBed Center sibonile iposter sonke kodwa nje funa ukuceba ngathi lo kanti kunani mayiceba ngathi because i-situation yakhe izoba ngcono mangabe kuthiwa impilo yakhe ya improve kuzokwakheka namathuba emisebenzi for us ukuthi sikwazi ukusebenza. So we have to learn and pray ukuthi asibe comfortable ngokuthi umuntu omnyama bengcono ngenxa yami ngoba nezulu sisho njalo ukuthi yakhela ngamaqhubeni. So lokho wena ungakusebenzisi kunokuthi ukuthatha ukulahle, give it to this person ngoba uyambona ukuthi uyazama, just give. Akuze ukuthatha lutho from you.
Ngiyaqala ubona ubrava mbethulela nje madoda nicabangani?
Hayi ngeke ngambuza umjakadula nami imashini yabo Jack makuthola uJack Shepherd hayi hayi siphethe olunye ugcobo namhlanje
Hey.
nga
Ubethi-
yayazi poison
Ugcobe
Juliet
Before-
Juliet yayazi into enama kwasa
Hey, bo.
Ngathi ngimbuze.
Bese vele ukhulume ngeshow ngoba yikho lento
Yeah, no, I'll
ukhulume ngeshow
A
straight
decade of laughter, man.
No.
10 years.
ukhuluma ngeshow Japi
I relax. No, I think for me, I just want to maybe pull you a bit back. When you were speaking, there's certain terminology that you're touching on. For example, the frequency that the young people are moving on. And you spoke a lot about, I wouldn't say manifesting because you're grounding it more in Christianity. But what are some of the books or mentors or people that you have listened to shape the way you're thinking? Because sometimes when you send someone directly to the Bible, inzima, you just look at a verse of a way and understand it doesn't work for me. But there are certain people who have done the groundwork, like yourself, who have understood how to apply that old scripture to modern day life. So what are some of the books you've read or people that you look up to that we can also go back and reference to better understand and have a deeper understanding of some of the ideas that you're sharing with us?
Jim Rohn, more.
Thanda ukuthi
Oh, Jim Rohn, I love his teachings, and ngiyangithanda ukulalela like when I'm driving, ngene ku YouTube and I just listen to audio yakhe. Robin Sharma, naye ngiyamthanda. And then there's Eckhart Tolle, yena he speaks just about awareness. So awareness is actually the presence of uNkulunkulu kuwena. Like ukuthi you are not immune from suffering and emotions, but you are aware ukuthi you are feeling this way. If you are angry and you are aware ukuthi you are angry, it means you have a presence of God within your anger, which means uzokwazi ukucontroleka, uzokwazi ukuthi ube restrained. But make yafika because imizwa ifana nemimoya that can inhabit umzimba wakho. Ma ungibheka la emehlweni ubone ukuthi akusesiyena unonto lo, sekuwomunye umoya osufikile. So if presence kaNkulunkulu ingekho, then this is why uzovela udinwe, uvela uphume. Yabo mhlawumbe ucasulwa ukuthi umuntu ukudrivise kabe emgaqweni, uvela uphume uthatha ummese umgwazi. Akusiwena nawe uzothi mawuphaphama uthi angazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. It was that spirit esifike sakungena ngenxa ukuthi you are not grounded kuNkulunkulu sakusebenzisa. NeBhayibheli lisho kanjalo lithi uma ngabe amademoni eza kuwena efica ukuthi uNkulunkulu akasekho ngaphakathi, liyahamba liyobiza amanye ithi hey wozani elahlile because the presence kaNkulunkulu iyaclean. Khona nje izinto ongazenzi ngenxa ukuthi uNkulunkulu yena okudirector ukuthi ungayi la, ungahlangani nalabo uthi uhlala nomunye umjitha ongekho aligned with the journey yakho, because ngithiwa i-birds of the same feather zihamba ndawonye. Lithi ukuhlanganyela nabantu ababi konakalisa ukuziphatha okunjani okuhle, which means ukuthi your circle also matters. So mangabe wena usuzihlukanisile ke ngepresence kaNkulunkulu, you can feel ipresence engekho aligned uze la kwi-solar plexus yakho ukuthi angazi ukwenzakalani. I'm sure you felt that. Angazi ukwenzakalani, but there was something off ngobani that day. Iyona leyo awareness kaNkulunkulu ifana nani Nkosi yami, ngiyifanise ne-network. Yabona u-MTN khona izindawo uthi mawungena kuzona kuthiwa I don't la i-network. Uye kwezinye indawo uthola ukuthi la i-signal strong. So uNkulunkulu ufana ne-network provider empilweni zethu. You will never go wrong uma ngabe uhamba naye, ngoba ngisho nala ushayeka khona ushayeka uthuntutheke. Oh, I understand why ngiqhuzukile la. Yabona ushayeka kakhulu, kanti mawukuthi uyayihambela nje wedwa awunayo i-network provider, ufana nje nefoni engenayo i-network, uba useless. Kuba ukuthi uyakhanya phela umuntu mayekuthinta because khona ugesi.
Have you ever tried doing public speaking, like you're emceeing or things like that?
I'm a comedian. So kuyenzeka. Yabona like now if kwenzeka nje kanje ukuthi I can say something and we all laugh,
Yes.
And then it just happens again ukuthi okay kube serious kukhulumeke whatever suke idinga ukukhulumeka ngaleso sikhathi phinde kushintshe futhi kube ama-jokes but I've never worded it as ukuthi okay I'm public speaking now.
Yeah.
Kodwa futhi like at church I do get invited to preach.
Yes.
Yabo mhlambe enkonzweni zabantu besifazane kanjalo yeah.
And because I'm seeing in front of me right now, I have something named, or maybe it's called Comedy Meets Gospel.
Yeah.
And it's a decade of laughter. So I'm asking this because if you understand, here's this. It's a flyer, event. This means, I'm assuming, decade of laughter. It means 10 years into comedy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Yabo.
Siyabonga.
Shut up.
Baningi abayifisa into kanje, it's a milestone. So ngiyakubongela kakhulu ngalapho. But why did you choose to do comedy and gospel at the same time?
Ngiyawuthanda umculo wegospel. And obviously because I grew up ngokholwa even nasekhaya. So I just felt ukuthi while I'm celebrating iminyaka 10 as a stand-up comedian, what has sustained me kuze kube la nane growth that I've experienced, it couldn't have been me uNkulunkulu ongenzelile. So ngase ngithi ke celebrate, this is just a celebration. Celebrate nokumbonga uNkulunkulu, let me bring these people engiconnecta nabo ngendlela ezingafani but they mean something to me. Bonke labantu obabonayo la they mean something to me. Ngase ngithi ngibafake in one room sidumise sihleke because comedy is healing and gospel music is healing as well.
So kuqhuzela ithandani ngoba ngibona mhla 14 la.
Mhla 14.
Ufuna ithandani kahle kahle.
Not even. It's not about ithandani, it's about abantu. So lapho mawuthi wena unayo umuntu, you can come to the show sizokuhlekisa thina. Uhleke.
Ugoduka mhlawumbe usunesithandani.
Ugoduka mawukuthi ukhona umuntu ombonile ungasala usugoduka naye, it's up to you but ishow ivulelekile kuwo wonke umuntu. Mangaba kukhona abanye abathandanayo abazofika. Mawukuthi wena unomngani ufika nomngani. Mawukuthi uhamba wedwa futhi uza wedwa uzohleka sicwasana. Laphana nje senzela khona ukuthi kungabonakala ukuthi uba unomuntu uba unganaye ngoba lithi iBhayibheli.
Yeah.
Abazalwane bekhulu lokuqala kwakungabonakala ukuthi uba uhluphekayo ubani ongekho because babehlanganyela ezintweni zonke. So nje owayenotho vela lidayise lolotho so that nalabo abangenakho kungeze ukubonakala ukuthi uba ushodayo. So leya show izele lokho ukuthi akungabonakala ukuthi uba unomuntu ubani ongenayo.
Uzofihla ihlazo. Hey, we are very lucky to even sit here like this. I think le ngiyichaze le ndaba yabo. And ngifuna ukubuyisela because you are really funny, yabo. And I think because I also follow you on your social media accounts. And ngihlezi ngibona some of the videos you post and some of them I relate as ngiyahleka njengoba usuku postile. So ngifuna understand ukuthi iqhamuka lo lithando liqhamuka lo cause ku comedy sijwayele ukuthi khona abantu abahlekisayo but you really find ukuthi ube khona abesifazane actually bawazi ukuyenza bancane bayingcosana kunalabo besilisa yabo luphuma phi lo thando and encourage yini ukuzuza as in actually let me just do this thing.
I used to be funny lokungazalo but I hated it. I hated being funny ngoba ngangikhuluma mina ngikhuluma ngiserious yabo like ngiyathanda vele for some reason ngiyathanda ukuthola information njalo ngithola information enje and then I like to share it. So this friend of mine asked me to MC birthday party yakhe ngo-2015. I had always been funny like abangani bami would say ngine party woza so my presence would just khona into esokuthi ngivele ngisukume and I just start speaking and people start laughing but ngangaze ngikubone as umsebenzi kwakuba nje into engicasulayo but because they like it oh well it's fine. So kule party ke le 21st I went and I researched on issues surrounding 21-year-olds. They want to get married, they want to have boyfriends, looking for a job, none. So ngathola information ehambisana nalokho and I presented it to the people. Behleka yabona kuze kuthi mana mina ngixayekile yabo ukuthi ila kuklishani ke nani yabo cause ngisiriya nithola I couldn't understand. And then after that bese bethi ke mhlambe sekufika omunye uthi it's my mom's birthday ngicela uzoba MC, someone is getting married, please come and be an MC. And then that's how my comedy career was born. And then the following year uSimphiwe Shembe had a show ngimfonele ngithi yazi bese ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyahlekisa sacela ungifaka lapho kuleyo nto yakho yabo. I didn't know what I was going to do. I was just going to be myself. Yabo ngiyimina nje, so I wouldn't even get offended if someone doesn't laugh because ngisuke ngingazile mina ukuzokuhlekisa, ngizoxoxela le ndaba engikuxoxela yona ukuthi wena uyahleka noma uhleki angihlangani mina, but ngizokutshela mina leyo nto leyo. So it's not even umsebenzi, it doesn't feel like a job. I would definitely do it for free. Phela ningangiceli yenze for free ngithi ningikhothe la, cha ngiyasho ukuthi indlela engikuthanda ngayo ngingawenza ngisho kuthiwa angikhokhela.
Yes.
But yeah, I'm so grateful because njoba ngisho ukuthi ngafunda izinto eziningi, ngenza imisebenzi eminingi, nakhona imisebenzi engingalast because ke ngibuye kube nenkani khona ukuthi umuntu akhulume ngendlela engayiqondi kahle. Ngithi mina yabona ke phathi wami hayi ke kanjalo ngizele mina yabo manje ingane zami izothini seyaqhamuka la zikufica wena ukhuluma kanje uyangithethisa sikhuluma kahle sigcine ke singasazwani bese ngiyayeka.
Uyayeka noma uyaxoshwa?
Hayi ngiyayeka. The thing engicabanga ukuthi yaye ngabenza ukuthi bangangixoshi is because ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi. I'm a workaholic. So if you give me a job angilali ebusuku ngicabanga ukuthi how can I improve lo msebenzi so that there can never be anyone ongawenza better than me. So the first job I got ngangisebenza kwa dance yabona la ku street
Dance.
Okay, leso sitolo ngisasikhona nina hlamba ngisazi. Ngisebenza khona, I'm a sales consultant, but because it's a small shop ngiwasha ama toilet, ngiphume nangaphandle ngiclean amawindi. Happy yabona ngoba ngisho nje ukuthi wherever you are in life you need to be very grateful. Ukhumbule ukuthi wawucele ini ngenkathi uNkulunkulu ekunika, because that is an answered prayer. Wherever you are currently, it is an answered prayer from the past. So ngangisebenza ngiyimisela, ngasebenza ayiphelanga inyanga, I got another job. Nalapho futhi I would work ngikanjalo nje. So abakwazi ukuthi bengixoshe, and nama ama reasons ami mangabe ngibathethisa ngento evalid ukuthi phela ngumuntu, because yes anginayo qualification yalo msebenzi, but you should respect me because I'm a human being. I don't need to be qualified, I don't need to be anything else, but it's an opportunity. Mangabe sihlangana sindawonye, it's an opportunity to learn and teach. Uzogcina ungasafundi yabo ngisho mina umuntu osemgaqweni makuthiwa ngixoxa naye, there's something I'm going to learn from that person. Khona into azongitshela yona ezongakha. So even ingane encane mangikhuluma nengane encane I pay attention because I'm gonna learn something. So lapha emsebenzini kabahloniphani, like you have to have a certain position, you have to earn a certain salary. My salary was always an entry level because I wasn't qualified. Kodwa kusho lokho ukuthi ke asidelelane.
Ngangihloniphi.
Ngikholelwa kuloko.
Tsedan. Magenge.
Ayisamba
Yeah.
hamba.
Ngisho phezu.
Hi, unjani yaphila? I don't know what to call up, but I mean, I wanna go back in 2016, you know, while Gala, and then there was like Gala Senjalo, Semnan, Babele, I told us ukulele, was a what Tulala Makik, and Boalok. You know, take us to that moment. Bewunjani.
Khona la engozela khona.
Uyamfanisa.
Ajab, oyingake bethuli kanje. Yazana.
Khona la esazanela khona. Okay, sibuye sixoxe. So ngafika ngayenza ke comedy kwakhulelweka.
Yeah.
Mase khulelekile angisawatholi ka ama bookings. Then I came up with I brand leyo ibona la iwomen in comedy.
Oh.
Cause there's a certain way of thinking umuntu wesifazane abanayo mangabe ukuthi ukhulelwe that I found to be interesting, even the journey of going to labor and my experiences yabona nje I found ukuthi people should hear about these things because baningi abantu besifazane emhlabeni but we just don't get the attention that we deserve when it comes to this journey ngoba kuthiwa nje hayi into yabantu into yomama le yabo kanti phela sikhulelwe soba u2 like nje mina ubafo ngangibuye ngincane ngisho indlela ahlafuna ngayo yabo ngathi yini manje wasuhlafu yabo hlamba xwayize kungicasula ukuthi wasuxwayiza manje noma phefumule ngicasule yilokho nje ukuthi wasuphefumula kangaka ahlafu yabona yonke into ayenza nje yayingicika. This one time wake wafika enuka in lama futhe emoto ngithi mina usuyakhenika yini wena lapha emsebenzini, he's an accountant, ngithi uyakhenika wena manje lapha. So zonke lezi zinto lezi zenzeka engqondweni yomuntu wesifazane when she's pregnant, and I wanted to share those with people. So ngase ngenza ke women in comedy nakhona ngibuka ukuthi baningi abantu besifazana abafani mhlambe nawe ukhona umuntu wesifazana omaziyo ukuthi yazi if she had gotten the opportunity mhlambe wayengaba into ethile baningi even nala eMzansi, but mhlambe ke ngalokhu ngizobe sengibavulela namabanye. So bakhona like there's uBaba Khatebe mhlambe niyamazi kuma socials, khona noZinhle Mkhize, and then abanye ke they speak cause ngibuye ngenze neEnglish, so abanye they are now in Cape Town, abanye benza amanye ama opportunities that came through ilokhunjana iplatform that I've created.
Maybe se Cape Town ihambe kanjani because ngibonile ukuthi kwathi shuye Kapa.
Oh, it was beautiful.
Ihambe kahle.
Yahamba kahle. Ngiyabonga nje uthando emantwini. Yeah.
I mean, like, I want to also find out, like, the same 2016, you did a show while you were pregnant. Like, how was the process, bro, performing ukulele, like going on stage, nesisu, but you still managed to pull the show, and then everybody loved the show, and you got a stand ovation for the show?
It was hard. Oh, so the second one I did was here in Durban. The first one engayenza uyayisempangeni. Ngabuka idome empangeni. In the first year, ngenza marketing, everything I'm doing it myself. Everything I'm doing it myself. Fika usuku le show, I think I had like a good 20 people. Kodwa I gave a performance of my life ngaqeda ngimanzi te. And that was a humbling experience yokuthi mina ngangithi kuzogcwala because ama comedian bengiperforma akugcwele. Kanti akuzugcwala. But kwangifundisa nje, I think even the journalists who were there were like, wow, your professionalism considering ukuthi it's my first year. But laba bantu laba befikile would definitely come back because of the performance that I gave. So ngase ngenza ke the second one la eThekwini yona ke at least because I'm based here, like empangeni angihlali khona. So because I'm based here, it was like a good turnout yabantu. Like I'm saying, the thought process is very easy because you don't overthink. Like a comedy doesn't want you to overthink. It's okay. Izoba kanjani le, you just have one idea and you run with it and you talk about it. So I did that and people loved it. I enjoyed it nami. I think lapho ngangenza ngo-December and I gave birth in Feb. So I was heavily pregnant. But it's also just to say out there ukuthi kuyenzeka. Like pregnancy is not a disability. You can do anything often ukuyenza. There's also another comedian, I forgot her name, Sue something. she usually does ama-tours akhe during i-pregnancy. It's very nice. I-creativity ekhona lapha, it is very nice. Because even when you are going to labor, you observe people, kodwa futhi ukhulelwe, you are in pain, and this observer, a comedian, is watching everything. Yabo nje ngifika kulo ona 8 manje. Ngifika ke afike unesi, like unesi ungathiwa ikhubazekile yabo ikhuluma nje ukuthi hey hebundela. Ngithe hebundela. Ngithi mina yabo, because you have to breathe and breathe until kuze ingane izokwazi ukuthi iphume kahle. Uyahebundela wena yini lo yena akaphoxani lo sisi. Manje ngithule ngiyambuka ngithi ukhubazekile lo sisi, but like why ungeyisa kanje because ukhubazekile. Yo. So zonke lezi zinto lezo mhlamba abantu mangabe sebexoxa ke bazothi we didn't even know. Some men will say I didn't even know ukuthi you have to breathe. I just thought mina uyangena lapha and you pop, you know. So yeah, it was a beautiful experience.
Wait, is that how you live your life with this comedian?
All
You observe.
day,
Nana
every day.
live Joyous Connor.
Yeah,
No,
more.
don't get out.
Oh, isingisi lapha. Malume lo yana. Okay, siyajima la. Lokishi. Stunning. Kumnandi, it's a very beautiful. Kumnandi because you just observe. Yeah, but kufana nokuhlala, like if mhlawumbe guys, because I work around guys, even we comedy. Most of the time I'm the only female. So ngiyathanda nje ungena mhlawumbe baba ama groups kanje, and I just go group 1 and I just watch.
Bakhuluma ngani?
Ngizwe bakhuluma ngani ngidlulela ngiye kwenye, and I just watch. It's an interesting thing to do. And ngicabanga ukuthi it also comes from my dad. Mina ngakhuliswa ubaba ke. Like even when it comes to dating, yabo, some of the things ayengekho comfortable ukuthi angitshele, he would buy a book as funda la. Yabo ngifunde ke ngithole ukuthi oh, like they are teaching about how you can't be in one room with a guy because uzogcina uyithola yabo nje ungaplananga nawe ukuthi uzolala. Uyithole sekulaleka ngephutha because ususeduze kwakho umfana. So yabo mhlawumbe umfana athi ungena ngeke ngikwenze lutho. Uyabona na umbhede lona.
But usuke eqinisile mfana ngakwenze lutho man. Yeah, umphelezele hambo yela DJ.
Ngakhulelwa kanjalo.
Oh, la DJs.
So yini sohlala la uyabona umbhede lona. Kanti ngizokwenzani?
Ukwenza lutho.
Loyo ngizokwenzani una 20 ke this year. Uzokwenzani? Ngiyakuzwa uyakholwa. Nami ngiyayithanda lento yakho yabo. Yeah. So ke ubaba would sit nabangani bakhe kuhlaziwe iBhayibheli uthi uyabona sebelele. But comfortable, like that's one thing I love about men. Like nina ni comfortable ukungacabangi. Oh, like there's a time where you can sit like that to get couches. Yes man, babe. Ucabangani? Angicabanga. Tina, abantu besifazane, there's never a time where we are not thinking about something. Like nina nje no yabo futhi mawukhuluma nina manikhuluma ngetopic ukhuluma ngaleyo kuphela. Awufuni Tina we think of okay masicabanga amasonto emoto, amathaya, yini isikole, ama-school fees, yini ama-girls, isemsebenzini, i-comedy, isisu, umkhaba, yabo kuningi konke kula, but mhlambe kuqalwe yisondo lemoto. Kanti wena nje ufocus esondweni. Uthi okay, leli sondo lelo ubani usayizwalo, isondo kuphela. And it fascinates me how you guys remember igole la score uDr Khumalo edlala nebani ngo2000 and bani kodwa mhlawumbe ibirthday yengane yakho awuyazi
ingane na-20
ena20 awuyazi ukuthi yazalana
Incane ngisho kuno
i-anniversary incane ngisho kuno anniversary yakho uthi nje nahlangana nini nomuntu wakho awuyazi kodwa uyamthanda hayi ukuthi awumthandi
ukhumbula ispeech esashawo lokhu njani esign
Eyi.
ama-vase
Wathini kathi sime phambi
freestyle.
kwamfundi?
sethama sibe phambi kwamfundisi
Wathini?
wathini
uyakhumbula yini bebe ukuthi wathini ngedate yathi but you guys are interesting. I find men very interesting.
Kanjani?
Lokho nje ukuhluka like the way you guys converse, the way you are patient. Like I had a male bestie. Yabo ngangithi mina umngani wami. Yabo nje siyaxoxa.
Wawuthi umngane
Kanti
wakho
be-operate ra.
Kanti umngani wami uyabo ufuna ukushaya. Like yabo mina ngazi ukuthi nje uyileyo nina ungasho something namhlanje and really minutes ngomzuzu wanamhlanje akusho ukuthi kusasa uzobuyisho leyo nto and it's okay yabo like guys are just interesting yabo nina ngisho intombazane ngakuthanda you can never sometimes you just don't figure it out until usulala nayo ukuthi hey kanti lashandisi But she didn't know. Like, Tina sazi yonke into. Nina anazi lutho. Kodwa niba surprised mase kwenza ukuthi hey bo bengayazi ngelento le.
Shulexa usimele bese ungabuye kunodata sazi lutho singabantu
Cha like okay mhlamba ngithi like nina nazi yabo izinto ezitechnical ukuthi nje cha. Hlambe I can tell you about my feelings and how I'm hurt and ngikusho konke okuyiqiniso bese ngisho into eyodwa ebhedayo uzothi cha ke urongi ke la cha fanele ngikulungise phela ukuthi angizanga akwenzakala so nina nazi ama facts if it's true then let's discuss it. If it's a feeling, like you guys are scared of feelings, like you don't even want to have a conversation about how do I feel? Let me tell you how I'm feeling. Let me tell you ukuthi ma wenza kanje, this is what it feels like to me. Ukuze uzofunda next time ukuthi ma wenza lento ngizophatheka kabi because this is how I'm receiving it. Yabo?
Yeah.
I know, I think awungena Tsithi.
no I esikhathini samanje ngilalela ukhuluma about you are being around abantu besilisa esikhathini samanje abantu besifazane abasa feel comfortable to be around men so how do you like educate umuntu wakithi othina majida to create that warm and welcoming environment for abantu besifazane because esikhathini samanje sekukuningi okwenzakalile kakhulu and manje abantu besifazane abasekho right even uzohlangana naye ku1-on-1 emgaqweni akasafili safe especially manje uzongena especially kanje kugcwele amajida how do we educate abantu bakithi either wesilisa nowesifazane ukuthi how can we make this space sibe right sonke
Yeah, because bakhona abafana ba right. I think even nakule room le ba right abafana bala cause ngaba asi create lento si create if that wasn't the case. So I think nina any right kumsebenzi wenu ukuthi you put yourself out there so that abantu besifazane bezoboyelwa yithemba lokuthi bakhona abantu besilisa ba right. I think the advantage for me is that I was raised by my dad. Ukuthi I had a close relationship with my dad. And so wayengifundisa ngabantu besilisa uhlalela yabo umfana mangabethi hayi usuke namanga yabo nje isikhathi esiningi like abantu besilisa most of the time they just want to have sex and that is all, yabo. And that is not a bad thing. The bad thing is to manipulate someone just so that when uzothola le sex oyifunayo, but or sometimes some guys are honest. Uzosho uthi mfethu, yeah, hey, angifuni ukukuthanda kakhulu. Usomayitha ngafuna ukuthanda kakhulu, usho ukuthi ayindawo lento. Kodwa ngiyafuna ukuthi sibe nayo experience. So I think ama-guitar right, put yourself out there and show us ukuthi there's also this good side, because njengamanje the dark side is winning ngoba kuno Me Too, kuno bani women are being raped.
Yes.
Nakhona ngoba mhlambe sileki education yokuthi ngisho ngingakhalela, kodwa mangithi no, ngisho no ngathi kusawu no, kusho ukuthi angifuni. Yes, ngiyakhalela, umzimba wami futhi mhlambe is ready, but ingqondo yami ithi this is wrong. So mangabe uqhubeka wena nakho lokho ofuna sikwenze, sewungiviolateile yabo. And nendlela esikhula ngayo ke bafethu nayo idlala irole enkulu ukuthi yabo nje makuthiwa mhlamba amajithamile emgaqweni elokushini, uzongiyeka mfethu ungibone ngiqhamuka lapha ya ngidlule nginibingelele la ngidlule ngithi mase ngilapha bese nonto sekufanele ngiyeke manje indlela yami ngibuye ngize la. Uma ngabe ngingayiyekanga indlela yami usuyangithuka isifebe lesi, because ayikho kwabanye abantu besilisa into yokuthi I may not want you, I may not be interested in talking to you, even if ngaba interested ukukhuluma nawe, but it doesn't mean I want to talk to you and I have a choice ukuthi ngikwenze lokho. Yabo, ingakho umuntu wesifazane bezombulala abafana ngoba uchithile. Ngoba you don't have a right to cheat. Anginayo mina right yokuthi ngikhalele omunye umfana ngelinye ilanga. And yet half of me is in you. Half of you is in me. For a human being to be born with 23 chromosomes from a man, 23 chromosomes from a woman, which means ukuthi whatever you can do, I can do as well. Mangabe wena ukwazi ukhalela usisi, nami ngingakwazi ukhalela omunye umfana and still love you. Kuukuthi mina ngiyakwazi ukuyiphatha kahle because I make a decision. And that decision that I make, you can make as well. Ukuthi okay, yeah, mfethu, because asizona izinja. That's another thing. We have a dignity of choice thina as human beings. Izinja zimetha noma yikephi. Well, zilandele yona. Zibo 16 ilandele intombazane yona. Yabo, ilwane. Inja mayifuna ukuchama, iveli iphakamisa unyawo ichame. Ilwane ihlukile kunabantu, but abantu bane dignity yokuthi angifuni lo sisi lona ngisho ngakufuna yena, but not for me, not today. Yabo, ngiyawuthanda ngiyawuhlonipha umzimba wami, because ukulimala komuntu wesifazane mayilala nomuntu wrong, it's the same of a guy olala nomuntu wrong. Ubona izinto zakhe ayisahambi kahle, kanti uhamba wena uhamba uyifaka kuma altars that you don't belong to. Sekuhlangahlangene manje uhlanganisa abakasikhakhane nabakhumalo nabakamzimela nakamasango nakuba uzosangana kusenzeka ilutho, because uhambe wayemsamu isibeletho somuntu wesifazane siwumsamu wakubo. When she marries siwumsamu wala ganele khona. So fanele ukuthi sihloniphe sonke, not only abantu besifazane. And whatever you can do as a man, nomuntu wesifazane mayefuna ukwenza unalo ilungelo lokuthi akwenze. Mangabe ukuthi awukho happy ngokuthi umuntu wakho uyacheat, just leave her. She has a right. They cheat. Even nakudala babevele becheat. Uyazi babecheat kanjani? Angithi ubaba wayekade esebenza eGoli, ubaba lapho kuloyo muzi.
Yeah.
Bese umama, cause i-priority kudala kwakuwukuthi we need to preserve ikhaya. But umama ezalo uyabona ukuthi ubaba kasabuyi, chances are usenomuntu lapha eGoli. Lo sisi lo umakoti wala ekhaya mhlambe usekunomkhize okhona la. Umkhize hamba emfuleni. Kusho umama ezalo athi koti hamba ukha amanzi. Hamba umakoti awukha amanzi. zikhale lapha emfuleni nobaba kamkhize abuye la umamezala abone ukuthi usekhulele umakoti athi makoti hamba eGoli uyolanda isisu ahambo uyosilandelana isisu is because she's already pregnant ahamba yolanda isisu umakoti eGoli abuye naso aqhubeke la kwazi ukuthi ukhulele ingane yala ekhaya le ngane mangabe isizaliwe inokukhala ikhala ihlulele ezinye izingane zala ekhaya but mayekhala umamezala unokuthi mayisingasathuli athi makoti phuma nayo umthulisa phandle angithi uzofika cha ukhabazela thuka wenzela ngamavo ithuli ingane isizwe ithakazelo zakubo ibuye ingene la ekhaya kuthuleke into ebalekile kwakuyikhaya ukuthi akudivorce la ekhaya akuhlukanwa umuzwa la ekhaya fanele uhlale ufudumele ufudumeza ubani ufudumeza umakoti umakoti akasekho happy fanele abe happy and remain in this house
Iwathintenye ngoba bethu ogogo bashona nazi imfihlo.
baba kuthiwa nje abafazi bafa
Bazi.
bayazi babazi omama so njengamanje mina ngibuke nje sekubulawana khona nje like baba uzwa umzali esemdala uthi hawu umzala kanti owakabani uthola ukuthi ukhuliswe umalume la ekhaya umalume ubeyazi ukuthi umzala kayena wala ekhaya there was so much peace kobaba bakudala le violence lena ifika ne generation yethu because ayidodiswanga because angithi obaba benu bayashesha ukushona anifundiswa ukuthi umuntu esifazana uphathwa kanjani so ingakho you hate most men hate women yabona nje yabona mhlawumbe uzokudrivisa yabona ukuthithiza kwama-chair you don't even understand that ukuthi ingqondo yakhe is wired in that way like mina ngithi mangabe ngidriver uthola ukuthi maqhamuka mina ugaye ebona ukuthi yimina uzo-attempt ukuwela umgwaqo omunye umuntu esifazane ngayibuka leyo nto athi uyangiyisa because I'm a woman but no it's because uyazi ukuthi I'm a nurturer and it's easy for me to quickly change my mind ngibreke akwazi yena ukudlula so it's because I'm a woman it's not because there's something wrong with me but it's because I have a capacity to protect ingakho ke ezo-attempt lento ayi-attemptayo ukuthi adlule ngoba mina ngiyi-safety kusafe ukubona mina so ama-roles wethu there's nothing wrong with them there's nothing wrong with being a woman there's nothing wrong with being a man because uNkulunkulu kwakhe ngaleyo ndlela leyo yesonto ukuthi hayi lo akafocus esondweni noma akafocus einkomeni zakhe kuze uthola ukuthi kuziningi izinto ezenzakalayo emphakathini uma ukhuluma nomkhulu athi hey inkomo zami ucabanga leyo nto there's nothing wrong with that then umama ke yena ayisukubone iking nequeen kwi-chess ukuthi iking ithatha nje unyawo lodwa ihlehle ithatha iqueen yona ihambe gijima ke yabona sisakhiwe nje ngaleyo ndlela but because we don't understand each other we are going to hate each other and we are going to kill each other same goes for an individual who does not understand herself because I didn't understand myself as a comedian and so I hated the fact that I was funny kanti ukuthi ngifani iwona khiyeke ukuthi ngizophila ngawo so we all need to go on a journey to discover who we are and to love every little detail about who we are and how we think and what we do and the beauty of ukuba umuntu wesilisa nomuntu wesifazane together it is the most beautiful thing ukuba nomndeni it's a blessing ukuthi ube nomndeni
Hey. You can go through.
Yeah, no, I firstly maybe want to reiterate what you said because I think there's a lot of men who won't want to hear it. But I think it's very important that men understand, Uguti, the same way you desire to cheat, a woman desires to cheat.
Amen.
And it is on discipline to deny yourself that desire. So if when you can't, don't overreact when they do it to you. Because I think it's very important to be said because not a lot of people say it. And I appreciate the courage for you to say that because it shows a deeper truth. It highlights that there's something deeper than just being angry because someone cheated, knowing well ukuthi now would cheat. I don't understand that mentality.
Yeah.
But my point is here. I want you to maybe over-explain the importance for men to listen to feelings. Because I'm a married man, and that's one of the things I could say was my biggest learning point. Because for me as a man, feelings lack logic, you see. So whenever my wife would explain how she's feeling, I would really try to understand the logic in her feelings. And I'd be so confused because I'm not one to speak back. I'll let her speak, but when she's done, I'd be like, yo, like I'm still trying to figure out like what is the real issue. But I think she just enjoyed that I was quiet and I listened. And I want you to over-explain that point because for men, we don't see it that way. And I hope the lady listening to this understands that your man cutting you off is not because he doesn't want to hear your feelings. It doesn't make sense to him. But he also needs to understand that just because something doesn't make sense to you, it does not mean it's real. It just means you don't understand it. So you just need to figure out a formula to coexist with someone who speaks a different language. Their language is also real to them, the same way your language is real to you. But please over-explain it so that even me, I can understand it better. What does it do for you to let your feelings be heard? How does it make you feel? Why is it important to you? So that guys can see that from a woman's point of view and hopefully adopt that in their day-to-day.
So I'm gonna tell you a story, ne? But before ngishare, it's to say ukuthi asifana ngithi umuntu wesilisa nowesifazane. But ekungafaneni kwethu, we need to learn to coexist. So into engayifunda was ukuthi when I'm expressing myself, I shouldn't say wena wenze ukuthi asulile kanje, but you should rather try to say, when you did this is how I felt. Because lapho I'm not blaming you, but I'm just sharing with you ukuthi ngifile kanje. So in my I think this year I'm gonna be 14 years married.
Shout out. Now I want to be there now.
We had an argument with Ubaf. I call him Ubaf, my husband, about a plane when it's landing. So mina ngithi when it lands amaphiko ayo abheka phezulu. Athi yena no, when it lands amaphiko ayo abheka phansi. Ngithi mina because I saw it. So I'm not gonna agree with you just because you are feeling strongly about ukuthi abheka phansi because mina ngiwabonile bheka phezulu. And we went on and on and on and on until we landed. They did both. Aqala abheka phezulu, aphinde abheka phansi. So in our relationships, iyona leyo nto leyo yokuthi we see things ngesikhathi esingafani, ngendlela engafani, and our interpretation is different. But it doesn't mean ukuthi imizwa yomunye umuntu i-wrong just because wena awufili ngaleyo ndlela. Example number 2. When I read a book, angifuni ukuthi ubafa ngiphazamise. So every time I hold a book, then he starts wanting to have a conversation and get irritated. And I'm like, listen, don't disturb me when I'm reading a book. That's okay. Ahlale, and I carry on reading. 2 weeks later, he's reading a book. My mind starts running around with thoughts of a conversation that I want to have with my husband in that moment. So I keep doing this. But hey, never mind. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, no, carry on. Iphinde futhi umcabango ufingis, hey, uyazi, hey, yeah, never mind. And I realized we are the same ngayo yonke indlela as couples. Kuuguti, when you are having low muzwa loyo, mina ngikho lapho. And so it doesn't make sense to me as well. When I am having that thought, when I woke up, but uNkulunkulu always pairs you with the right person omdingayo ukuthi ufunde naye futhi afunde. Ama-couple ayafana. Siyafana sonke sicasula izinto ezifanayo but sicasula ngesikhathi esingafani. So a thing to learn is to accept your partner. And you cannot accept your partner until you accept yourself. Khona izinto ngawe ongazazi. There's still things about myself that I'm figuring out now. I do meditation as well. And so in my meditation, something will pop up. Oh, I didn't know this about myself. And so the more you figure yourself and you be quiet with yourself, you become this beautiful human being ozokwazi coexista nomunye umuntu, because uyazi ukuthi it doesn't take anything away from you when you listen to your spouse. Angithi futhi manje society ithini? Ithi thula mfazi. Ngeke mina ngomfaka yabona naku seniqala lezi zinto zenuke uzokhuluma kakhulu kuthi neBhayibheli nalo liyaqinisa umfazi okhulumayo ufana neconsi eliconsayo ukhetheli. You know, so everything in society is fundisa ukuthi imshado yethu fanele ukuthi faile because abantu besifazane bayilima amadoda anje. Yabo amadoda watshela amadoda anjani. And so sihlangana vele, we are carrying those conditionings from our societies. We are here to prove ukuthi ngampela bayabheda laba. Nathi we are here to prove ukuthi ngampela amadoda useless. But the day we just pause and we go, what can I learn from this guy? What can I learn from this woman? And mawubuka kubantu aba successful ba ama couple most of the time. Like I'm talking about sustainable success. They are couples, because kukhona izinto ongeke uzifunde esikoleni, like patience. If you are able to listen to your partner without having ama feelings aseceleni or invalidating what they are saying, you nasemsebenzini uyalalela. Na kwezinye indawo it just umshado healthy just overflows kuzo zonke indawo around you.
Ugcina senijabulile.
Amen.
I think
Shadani bafethu.
I think because
Mnandi
today,
emshadweni.
what you focus right now on is our focus is mainly on comedy. Ngineshow la endlini khona banga understand ukuthi i-comedy yini yabo. And not only la endlini, but if you can please just explain for everyone la endlini ukuthi what is comedy, and maybe ngoba siyinterpreta ngendlela engafani yabo. Sometimes omunye umuntu akayithandi because akaza athola umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi amhlekise, or what is the purpose yokuthi kube khona i-comedy, just labantu abala endlini. But obviously mawubuka labantu abala ubuka nalaba sekhaya, so nabathola explanation.
I-comedy is truth. You don't laugh unless you relate to it. So that's number one. Ukuthi we are connecting intellectually. I'm painting you a picture that is in my brain. Ukuthi nansi indaba ihamba ifike la. When you laugh, it's because you know it to be truth. You are confirming it to me. Ukuthi yes, that is true. And so we laugh at it. And so in that moment, we are united through this one idea. It is such a godly thing. Stand-up comedy. It is such mnandi. So ama-jokes awafani. Omunye umuntu engangakuhlekisa but uthola ukuthi omunye uyakuhlekisa. And that is okay. It doesn't mean there's anything wrong with lo ongakuhlekisi noma wena ungahleki. It just means ukuthi mhlambe istyle sakhe se-comedy akusisona esakho. But when you give, like when you go to a comedy show, abantu abaya kwi-comedy usuke usukhokha imali yakho and you have opened yourself up ukuthi take me on this journey. Angeke ungahleki. Uzohleka because you are receptive to it. But mawufika mhlawumbe uhlangana nami owunkala ukuthi ngeke mina lo ulapho ugadile ingqondo yakho ukuthi ungahleki. Yabo, that's a different story. So just open yourself up. Ukhohle umuntu ukuthi ubani uyamazi wafunda naye esikoleni noma wayenjani, and just go and have a good time. It's a beautiful experience. It's healing. When you laugh, your brain produces endorphins. Endorphins are stress reliever. So you experience less stress. Abanye odokotela, they even said ukuthi if you want to fall pregnant, you can go and attend a comedy show and your body will be able to be ube nama chances are higher ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi ukhulele. Ziningi izinto, but you know mangabe bethi if you know you know. So yilaba bayaziyo, like i-comedy ine audience nje yayo. So laba bayaziyo ngeke bebuye bezontshela ukuthi asambeni because it wouldn't make sense to you, but it's an intellectual connection and it's magical, it's godly, it is beautiful.
Thank you. And just briefly to give us an idea of what this is.
So lana kuzwa kamnandi lana uyazi nje kumnandi ungazi usinje sihlalele kusazofika umuntu mase siqedile athi sicela ningaqali kodwa khona okuncane okuzayo
Yeah.
kokuthiba nje izintuli. So lana comedy meets gospel ngihlanganise osomahlaya engiphilisana nabo and gospel artists I think who've really supported me on my journey njengaye uDumi Mkhokstar, uJumbo no Sisixoli. They really inspire me a lot as well. And then kuma comedian uChurch Boy, uJustice Gubeka, Khanyisa Bunu, noThole Smo, and then I also invited uAlfie. So Alfie, it's gonna be his first time enza igig la eThekwini, and he was like, oh, what an honor ukuthi uzoze zosebenza nami. I'm really grateful, just even ngokuthi ibe possibility now bonke abantu who are working together ukuthi ibe success. I can't wait. I know for sure ukuthi in 2 weeks time after the show I'm gonna be a completely different person.
Aye. Prayers, Machita.
Our Father, who art in heaven. I know. On a serious note, I want to say I see you. I see the way you think, and I think it's beautiful. There's a breed of human beings that they exist in the present, but they also exist in their mind. And in their mind, they are more powerful than they are in the present world. And there's a few of them. But when I see one, I know that this one is not just living in the present. They've seen and understood things that transcend the way other people think. They allow their mind to go to places where it shouldn't be conventional. They're not allowed to go there, but they find peace in those places that are unknown. And in saying that, I'm saying that I see you, like I really see you. And I appreciate the mind that you have. And I hope that you can tap into that level that is beyond the one that you've exposed to the world, because I know it's there. And yeah, danko. Thank you.
Yeah, bon. Thank you.
Oh, cool. Thank you so much.
Ngikwazela.
I just want to say, I mean, you're such a blessing. I want to say shout out to your parents for raising you and your husband for utsagiye wenzelento oitanda. My thing is, you such a rare breed in South Africa. I think more of Abantu Besimame, they can learn a lot from you because you're such a good example. And we need Abantu Besimame abanjengawe, you know, abazoba isibonelo esihle, especially to our young sisters, you know, because awasekho ama-role model amahle, you know. And we're just praying, you know, with you, you know, I want to say that everything, give you all the desires of your heart, and you continue to do what you do best and represent South Africa even in the global stage, because I know it has been one of your desires to open for one of the best top comedian in America, and I hope that Wednesday very soon, you know. So siyabonga cool for even coming and embracing us to show Yasamachiten, and then for teaching and also showing another side of you abantu abangayazi, because abantu abaningi banokuyitshela ukuthi if ever mhlambe wenza into ethize banokubhoxa abantu and they don't think abanye abantu bahlakaniphile, you know what I mean? So we've learned a lot, you know, from you, like Machiten, and then thank you for representing the ladies as well, and also making sure we have balances in the conversation. But my last question to you is that what are you healing from through your comedy?
I'm healing from bonko no. Abathi intombazana ayikwenza ukuthi. I'm healing from unforgiveness, whatever that has been done to me, or whatever I have done to myself, or whatever I have done to other people. I'm learning the beautiful thing called forgiveness. Forgive myself, forgive you, forgive everyone. And I'm learning to love unconditionally. Like, you don't need to be something, or if you do this, then I will love you. Even though we are taught ukuthi God's love is conditional, but I know ukuthi uthando lukaNkulunkulu lu unconditional, and so I'm opening myself up to be a vessel for uNkulunkulu ukuthi aliveze lelo thando lakho unconditional ebantwini. You don't have to do something for uNkulunkulu ukuthi akubusise. You just have to be yourself. Fully be yourself, and God will use you and God will bless you. And so I am also embracing ukuba imperfect and how beautiful it is to be an imperfect human being. I'm learning to break free from izinto ekuthiwe ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukuzenza, or ukufunda ukuthi you don't have to agree with me. Like, zonke izinto ngifundise zona wathi fanele ngizenze, and I discover ukuthi actually I don't have to do lento ngifundise yona, and I break your heart lovingly, or disappoint you lovingly by choosing myself. So I'm learning to fully choose myself and enjoy it, and my only hope is that everyone chooses themselves, because that is the only way we can build a better future for all of us.
Thank you, Majidin.
Thank you so much for gracing us with this visit. Thank you. I wish you a best of luck on the 14th. Sun Coast at the Globe. I think as I mentioned,
Yeah,
it's the Globe. Yeah.
And Zaino has been telling me, uyakhohlwa ukusho ukuthi amathikiti awu 300.
Yeah.
And 300 to general 550 VIP, and then if you are buying as a group, so makuthiwa mhlawumbe abantu bathenga about 5, niwathola ngo250. Sinikeza leyo discount leyo yokuthi you are buying as a group.
Yeah.
So VIP yona uma uyithenga as a group.
Ayiba nje u550.
Hey, bengisabani awufezi siyashupa phakathi.
Yeah, I hope I'm gonna see you guys there. It's always beautiful ukubona abantu busopjwayele. It feels.
I know bazofika impela for sure.
Athenga kuphi siwathengeni manje?
Athengwa web ticket.
Web ticket.
Yes.
Okay, uma siqeda nje ukurecorda singena emafonini siyawathenga.
Hallelujah. Ngiyithanda.
Qale thina ngeke ukwazi uku-advertise into esingazoyisupport.
Yeah.
Asikayiqale la. Danke manje.
Siyabonga nami.
Yeah, sibonga kakhulu.
Episode emnandi kanje bese singathengi mathikithi ngazodlala.
Oh, great. Nana abantu futhi sinokuthi sicela abantu bacela bengafika. Siyabonga ukuthi usigrace nje kanje. Futhi siyabonga
I
kakhulu. Yeah.
appreciate you guys. Please ngicela ni subscribe nami ngiyababukela. Ba clean, ngiyathanda nje leyo nto uthi clean into yenu. Clean, it's beautiful, it's crisp. So there's no reason ukuthi ningaba followers, because kuyaholwa lapha mawuba nama followers amaningi kuyaholwa. Ubone lawa amanye ama podcast lawa uthola ukuthi sebeze beqasha abanye abantu ngaphansi kwabo, and they build these beautiful productions.
Yeah.
KZN has got what it takes. So let's please suppose nithathe serious nje into ye-art. Nithathe serious ngalokho nithi amaciko ayafa ayahlupheka inina. Imali yamaciko ilapho kunina. And akuthatha imali ukusubscribe angithi.
Yeah. Danke Majidin, siyabonga.
Danke.
Sayodla ama crepe seeds.
Ivali.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga. Matethayo. Ama
Don't wait, just staying in the
Sis, got to what's good, let's hear.